everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to share a swap with you guys. This is from the lovely Kim Kelly. We decided to do a embellishment box swap, a Christmas themed one. So it's Christmas in July. This is my first time doing anything like Christmas in July. I tend to leave it to the last minute to start Christmas projects. But yeah, it's fun to get all the Christmassy bits out. So this is what Kim sent to me, and then I'll do a separate video showing what I've sent to her. So first of all, she sent these cute little heart packages with these fibres in. It's really sparkly, really Christmassy. It's got like a gold and red in that one. That's perfect to add to different projects. And then this one's got like silver and green. Really pretty. So thank you for sending those to me, Kim. I will, Kim has an Instagram, so if you want to check out her channel on there, you can do so. And then the next thing she put is some of these wax seals, these all Christmassy themed. Again, this cute little heart packaging. So you got that one. So they're really cute to put on different projects. That one says, let's say, merry and bright. Got that. So that's those. Really cute. I need to make maybe an early start on some Christmas projects. I've seen everyone making Christmas cards and things already, so maybe I need to get an early start this year. And then she's wrapped in some like tissue paper. This one's got beautiful little gingerbreads on them. I don't want to destroy. I'm just going to find some scissors to open that. So I assume this is the embellishment box. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's cute. The little gingerbread. I think she's put some glossy accent on the cheeks and the buttons. It's really cute. She's stuck that on the front there. And then inside she's filled it with a load of different goodies. She's put some more of that fibre. She's put some of these like sequins. These snowflakes. Some like wooden, let's see if I can take them out. So these like charms. You've got some wooden buttons. Oh, these are pretty. You've got like a reindeer, an angel, a gingerbread man. They're like, I think they're like plastic. Or are they wooden? Got like a shiny, but I think they are wooden, but they've got like a shiny coating on the front. That's kind of cool. And then you've got some wooden pieces here. That's really pretty. And then some these like star sequins, and then in here you've got some snowflakes, and then this like glitter, yellowy glitter. That's really sweet. So thank you, Kim, for that. I'm gonna have to incorporate in some Christmassy projects, and obviously I can reuse that tissue paper as well. Just gonna move that out of the way, and then I'm going to share this one. This is lovely Christmassy tissue paper as well. Oh, so here's my card. I'm just going to open my card. Oh, she put one of those seals on the back. It looks so cool, doesn't it? Like, just adds that extra bit on the back of a Christmas card. So I'm going to try and open this without destroying that. Oh, wow, look at her card. That's really pretty. I think these are die. This is a die cut, and then she's She's gone around it in glitter. I don't know if you can pick that up. She's gone around the whole thing with this silver glitter. It says, just for you. And then she said, thank you for swapping with me. Hope you like what I've sent. Crafty Houses Kim. So that's her beautiful card. And then these are the extra goodies. So she's put this cute little stamp set. This is really cute. It's got some polar bears. And it's like iceberg. It says, stay afloat, sending winter hugs. I love you more than I can bear. That's really cute. I love this one. So that's going to be great on some Christmassy cards. And then she's put in this beautiful Christmas paper pad. We've got reds and golds. These are great, these pads, because they're just the right size for like card bases, and you can just make cards really easy with those. It's like she sent me a little card kit, because obviously I can use the stamps on a card. They've got the papers, and then these are the sentiments. So you've got these ones in craft. You've got Noel, peace and joy. Loads of different ones on here. The most wonderful time of year. I think these are all different. So you've got these ones, and then these ones. You can see what they say. Yeah, so they're like, some are tags, and then some are like just sentiments. And then she's also put these sentiments in, again, Christmassy theme. So you've got these black, white on black. So you've got the most wonderful time of year, snowman kisses, and then you've got black on white ones. You've got like pudding, cuddles, friends, yeah, stockings, joy, quite a few different ones. And then you've got these like distressed kind of, black on distressed kind of background. So they're really cool as well. So again, great sentiments to put on cards. Yeah, definitely go and check out, like I said, Kim doesn't have a YouTube, but she definitely has an Instagram. She posts very frequently on her Instagram. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.